Adi Ideology, a technology solution provider company, offers Mobile Force Delivery Man. Mobile handset based dispatch and proof of delivery. Not just creating the proof of delivery, but also monitoring the work performance of delivery man. Transform the process of delivery confirmation using smartphones. Design and manage delivery routes and trips featuring location data and photos. Manage deliveries of packages online and share the data they gather using dashboards and maps. Driver's dashboard surveillance. Concerns. No proof or physical evidence that delivery person is actually visiting the delivery location, delivering packages at scheduled time, delivering the packages to whom. Delivery van monitoring. No proof or evidence on which route van is running or when route is changed. When it is reaching the destination, whom they are contacting while in transit. Need of intelligent delivery system now. Dispatch and proof of delivery. The need. Speed delivery times, ensure proof of delivery and provide easy access to manifest details. Mobile-based technology solution which gives delivery person the ability to scan packages to dynamically record their deliveries, electronically capture signatures, and take photos for proof of delivery. System also can easily notify delivery person about a new delivery destination, change in route, or emergency pickup. Monitor your deliveries in real time with Mobile Force Delivery Man. Mobile Force Delivery Man. Mobile Force Delivery Man, a technology solution, enhanced monitoring and improved performance in dispatch management. A mobile force is an electronic system which monitors the dispatch and confirms the proof of delivery in real time. It also records the route events and provides security to delivery person. System automatically keeps a watch on field events and alerts you on unscheduled action. Use real-time data to track and manage pickups and deliveries. Accurately document all delivery information by giving drivers the ability to capture package barcode information, document proof of condition, and record recipients' names and time of delivery. Make more deliveries and reduce cash to cash cycle times with real time visibility into the delivery cycle. Keep informed of freight status at all times with tracking capabilities. Maximize fleet productivity by scheduling pickups in conjunction with deliveries. Give drivers instant access to the day's manifest and transmit delivery information back to your central office instantly. Enhance customer experience by empowering your drivers with mobility. Enable your driver to make on the spot transactions, instantly correct any mistake and place correction orders, and enable customers to track their shipments online. Ensure shipments are delivered on time by optimizing routes, communicating with drivers in real time, and keeping track of last minute changes. Continuous communications on the road or at the customer site. Enable drivers to communicate clearly and reliably with a flexible handheld mobile device with integrated GSM GPRS. provide up-to-the-minute data using a total communication platform, a 3G World cell phone, QR code scanner, high resolution color camera, GPS, and 3G wireless. Instantly contact a customer, co worker, or a dispatch group with voice, SMS services, and broadcast messaging. Cut cost and eliminate paperwork. Automate the collection and processing of shipment information, increasing the accuracy of trailer load reports. Advanced data capture for QR codes enables drivers to scan packages and dynamically record their deliveries, while imaging allows them to electronically capture signatures as well as snap photos for proof of delivery. Retailer, carrier, vendor, partner. Silent features. Proof of delivery enables your drivers to view daily route information, maps, and access driving instructions from their cell phone. They can also access notes and drill into details for each delivery, and as the name implies, capture the signature and name of the receiver. Drivers may also record any issues that may arise at a stop, for that, location closed, no one available, damaged package, etc. Assigned trip. The system enables trip-wise monitoring of delivery van and attendance of delivery person in real time. GPRS transmission. All data is transmitted through GSM GPRS phone networks, allowing second by second updates on a web based live patrolling monitoring system. Emergency contact. The SOS button allows immediate communication with the control room in case of emergency, tremendously improving the safety and security of your employees. Contact phone. A control room can call an employee in order to reassure them that assistance is at hand or advise them of missed or unfinished patrols. SMS exception. Live web system automatically flags late or missed patrols by email, SMS to supervisors and on screen via live data monitor. Highlights. Web software platform. Access to reports anytime and anywhere. Fully secure with remote automated data backups. Secure two-way voice communication. So why use an expensive and fragile mobile phone? Field users cannot make calls, although they can let supervisors know they need a call by pressing Call Me button. The monitoring station operator can call field person, drivers anytime in the same way as a mobile phone. Each unit is programmed to answer calls only from authorized numbers. No need for check calls. System acts as a check call system to verify the staff member is on site. Application attributes. Recording the incidents and observations, real-time location data, trip management, emergency calling, auto data transfer, all events captures, device backup, call to emergency numbers, call center, control room connectivity, voice text messaging, two-way communication, message broadcasting, gallery, multi-language support, proof of delivery, duty verification, audio recording, video recording, photo capture, event logs. Benefits. Reduce package delivery hassles, improve management of deliveries, lower cost of purchase for mobile devices to ensure your drivers keep to their schedules. Clock in, clock out functionally tracks how long a driver stays at each stop. In addition, Adi's proof of delivery allows over the air delivery of lists to update drivers while still on the road because delivery lists are updated as the stops are completed. You are able to invoice customers sooner. Application can be customized as reverse to maintain the scheduled pickups from the customer site. Thank you very much.